I think it's really important for people to know that they don't have to do huge things to still make a big difference in children's lives. But when we are thinking about improving our outdoor spaces, I say the small steps. What are the small steps that we can take? Because those small steps make a big impact in children's lives. They get down and explore them up close and personal. And so I think, the idea of, I say 3 ways that we can kind of boost children's outdoor play and learning. And I think about that as your yard, your stuff, loose parts, and what we say yes to.